guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today we will create fantasy image in Adobe Photoshop. I will be using images I downloaded and licensed from Adobe stock. You can use any images you like. Also, I will be using 3D objects I downloaded from pixelsquid.com. So guys, let's start. I have opened Adobe Photoshop and also I have opened my Adobe stock library. Here I have all images I downloaded and licensed from Adobe stock. I will scroll up my library and here my image I would like to work with. This image will be my background image. To open any image from your Creative Cloud library in a separate window, just double click on this image and voila, just like this. Now guys, let me just a little bit zoom out for better preview for you. Now guys, I would like to add another object, another image into my opened document. To bring any image from your Creative Cloud library into your opened document, simply click on this image and drag it into your open document, just like this. Now I will resize it just slightly, just like that. I will reposition it and I will click OK to accept all changes. Definitely I need to remove this background around this beautiful dragon. What I will do, today I will show you the simplest, the easiest way of removing white background or any background. I will go and I will highlight a magic eraser tool, and first of all I will rasterize my layer. Right click on your layer and click rasterize a layer. Now using a magic eraser tool, I will click on a white background, just like that. Definitely I have few areas I need to work on, so I will zoom in and I will click on all areas. Just like that. All areas when I still have this white background, just like that, guys. Look, nothing is too complicated. It's so easy and so fast. I cannot guarantee that you can remove background using a magic eraser tool with all workflow. It depends on your image, but particular with this image, this tool works perfectly fine. So now I don't have any white background need to be removed around this beautiful dragon, and using my move tool I will reposition my dragon. And definitely guys, I would like to increase the size of this dragon. Using same tool, my move tool, I will just resize it, make it bigger, just like that, because it's dragon. And I will reposition it to the side, just like this. And voila, I'm happy with this dragon. Guys, because we are working on fantasy art, I would like to bring something more fantasy. What can be more fantasy than dragon, right? But we need to create entire scene. So what I will do, I will highlight my bottom layer, my background layer. And here guys, I have opened Pixel Squid library with my 3D objects I downloaded from pixelsquid.com. So here I have a very beautiful tree, autumn tree. Why? First of all, I would like to explain why autumn tree, because as you can see, it's a forest right now. Our dragon home is very beautiful autumn forest, so I would like to bring autumn tree as well. So I will click on this 3D object just like that, guys. It's very simple, and I will rotate my 3D object. I can rotate my 3D object directly in Pixel Squid plugin, just plugin window, just like this. Look, I can rotate in any way I like. So this is a rotation I would like to see. I will move this tree behind my dragon a little bit down and I will resize it. I will make it much bigger. Just like that, a little bit more, just like that. And I will reposition it just like that. Perfect. Now guys, I need to make decision. Do I need shadow under my tree? Yes, even if it's not visible, but still I would like to see this shadow. And also definitely guys, I would like to see my 3D object in high resolution, so I will switch from low to high resolution just like this. Also, I would like to bring your attention why all trees on our background are just wintry or late autumn time, no leaves, no just empty trees. And the tree behind our dragon has some kind of autumn leaves. Guys, just because I would like to bring more fantasy feeling into our art, and this tree represents our dragon, so it's supposed to stand out of all other trees. So that's why a dragon's tree has kind of with all these autumn's leaves, and I love it. Speaking about autumn's leaves, if I will click on add new in Pixel Squid plugin, just like that, here I have downloaded autumn leaves, flying autumn leaves. I will click on it just like that, and first of all I will specify that I don't need shadows, and I will resize it. I will make it smaller just like this. I will bring it just a little bit up just like that. Perfect. I will click OK to accept all changes. If I like, I can rotate this those leaves directly from Pixel Squid plugin window, and definitely I will switch resolution of this 3D object from low to high, just like this. Also guys, now I would like to add more fun fantasy feeling into my art. What I will do, I will click on add new. And here in Pixel Squid plugin library, I have another autumn leaves I downloaded from pixelsquid.com. I will click on these leaves just like that. I will rotate it just slightly. And I will specify that, yes, I would like to have shadows under my leaves. I will resize it, make it smaller, and I will reposition under my dragon just like that, and I will click OK to accept all changes in this layer. Now time to switch a low resolution of these leaves to high, just like that. Perfect. Guys, now we have a very obvious fantasy feeling, and maybe I will add some one more 3D object. So I will click on add new. I will highlight my background layer, and I will click on this flying bird just like that. I will reposition it. I will specify that I don't need shadows, but I would like to have my 3D object in high resolution, of course, and I will switch from low to high resolution. Because our tree has kind of misty effect, I would like to make my flying birds less obvious. So what I will do, and bring them on a distance, I will bring down opacity of this layer just like that. Guys, look at this. How beautiful is it? Believe or not, we are almost done. What else we can add? First of all, guys, I will highlight my dragon layer. I will switch to adjustment panel, and here we have HueSaturation adjustment. I will click on it, and in a properties panel I will specify that I would like to apply adjustment layer only to the layer below this adjustment layer, only to our dragon. So I will add a clipping mask here just like that, and now I will add HueSaturation adjustment layer only to the layer below it. So what I will do, maybe I will move just a little bit saturation slider just like that, and I will increase brightness just like that, nothing else. Guys, look at this. Now we have our dragon stands out. So this is what I was looking for. Now, after I'm happy with everything, I'm happy with all my design, proportions and everything like that, with all colors, I'm happy with all colors, I will merge all layers. I have two options. I can merge visible or flatten image. It's up to you. I will click on flatten image and voila, this is our image. I will duplicate this layer and I will launch camera raw filter. Here guys, I will bring down exposure slightly, not too much, just like that. I will increase contrast. I will bring down highlights and I will increase shadows slightly, guys, slightly. Also, I will move texture slider slightly to the left. So now we have more misty effect applied to our image. If you like, and I will recommend it, click on profiles, and here we have a many very nice profiles we can use. I will click on artistic, and let's see what I would like to use. I kind of like artistic 03 or artistic 02. I will click on artistic 02, and also I can modify artistic profile using this amount slider. If I will move amount slider all the way to the right, I will have only 200% amount applied to my image. So what I would like to do, I would like to move amount slider slightly to the right, to the left, just like this. Perfect. Now I will close profiles and I will adjust exposure just like that, and I will click OK. Here guys, we have before camera raw filter and this is after. Now I will duplicate this layer one more time. I will zoom in my image just like that. Maybe I will move it, and I will switch to Dodge tool. Yes guys, to Dodge tool. In the options bar, I will specify range to midtones and exposure 17%. I will make my brush size bigger, and I will paint around areas I would like to highlight, just like that. Guys, look at this. Now I will bring size of my brush down, and I will highlight areas around his wings, just like this, and maybe here, and maybe around his mouth, just like that. Guys, look at this huge difference. So basically, using Dodge tool, you will bring your viewers' attention to the areas you like, just like this. And let me show to you before and after. So guys, basically this is what I wanted to share with you today. I used images I downloaded a license from Adobe Stock. Again, you can use any images you like. Also, I used 3D objects I downloaded from pixelsquid.com. So guys, thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, just ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. Super appreciated your support as always. Thank you guys, and I will see you later. Bye.